I bought a Sony α7s III, so naturally I am going to record myself opening it. I was not expecting something like this. I don't know. I'm sure I will understand what this is for later. Oh, USB-C, a USB-C 3.0 cable. I don't think I own one of these. Yeah, I think this is the first cable I own that actually goes from USB-C, or USB 3.0 to USB-C. All my other cables are USB 2.0. That's nice. Oh, come on. I bought one of these. Okay, so I guess I should explain. I bought an A7 before I bought this, and then realized this would be a lot better for what I like to do, which is nightscapes. Night photography, night time lapses, and night photography. So yeah, I already bought one of those chargers because I didn't want plugging my camera in to be my only option for charging. But now I got 2 chargers and 2 batteries, and I really don't need 2 chargers for 2 batteries. If I had like 10 batteries, or I don't know, 5, maybe I would want 2 chargers. Wow, this is actually pretty different from the A7 or α7. This feels significantly larger. No flash, I like that. I never used that flash anyway. So this is the first camera, well, second camera I've bought, because I bought an A7 and returned it, basically the camera I've been using since 2012 is a Nikon D3200. So this is a massive upgrade. And the reason that I chose this particular camera is because I have heard that Sony is one of the better brands for ISO sensitivity, having low noise. And this is a full frame camera. I also bought it for the video capability because I'm very interested in that as well. But it's a full frame camera, and it's only got 12 megapixels. So that means that the pixels can each be bigger, and it also means that the interconnects in the readout chip are farther apart. So there's less electrical interference between the little tiny wires that run through a semiconductor chip to feed or read each pixel. Those are farther apart from each other, so there's a little bit less electromagnetic interference and hopefully less noise. So essentially, I looked at this camera and said, this should be incredible for noise, and I really hope it is. One thing I just wanted to point out on this camera is that the SD card slot works a little differently. I expected it to just open, so I was like trying to push this open while I was holding this down, but you have to hold this down and then slide it back. So let's, here. All right. Okay, now I figured out how to put that extra piece on here, but I'm really not 100% sure what the purpose is. So if you guys know, please leave a comment explaining this to me. I have no idea. what the heck this accessory is intended to do. So this part actually screws into a small threaded socket in the side of the camera. It fits on with this and this spot opened, so these two little covers open, then it fits on, and that's the little threaded socket that it screws into, right next to that USB-C port. So that holds it on, and then I guess, I don't know, it stabilizes the ends of your connections maybe, so that like you can't yank them out as easily. I'm not sure. And then what's this for? Like, does this hold? A wire to something? I don't know. So this little piece is a mystery to me, and I've got to return that charger. This unboxing was never over. Got a battery. This is a NP FZ100. The FZ100 I think should last double the amount of time of the FZ50. So this comes with the same battery that the A7 would come with. I don't like doing this. I hate exposing these surfaces. Quick. Alright, did you see that hair? Oh my god, that hair almost got in there. This one right here. Wow. Look at that. Oh, it says the battery's almost dead. Wow. Cool. JPEG? I don't want JPEG. Oh, no card. So yeah, now I will have the ability to take much better nightscapes, make time lapses a lot faster, and do 4K video up to 120 frames per second, which is insane. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.